Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add pages to your footer in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn the entire process from logging into your account all the way to placing a new page into your footer area. Begin by opening WordPress in your web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the login button, which is positioned at the top right corner of the site. Clicking on this button will lead you to the login process. After clicking the login option, you will see an option that allows you to log in using your Google account. Select the option labeled Continue with Google and then choose the account you wish to use. This method simplifies the login process, connecting your Google credentials to your WordPress experience. It is a secure and convenient way to access your site. With your account now active, you should observe a section labeled Quick Links on your dashboard. Within this section is an option called Edit Site. By clicking on Edit Site, you enter the site editor where you can make visual changes and manage the layout of your website. This area is designed to help you customize the appearance and structure of your site with ease. Once you are inside the site editor, your next task involves adding a navigation component to your site. Look for the plus icon that is located at the top right corner of the editor interface. This plus icon represents the feature to add new elements, and it is a gateway to enhancing your site with additional functionality. When you click on this icon, a search bar will appear, inviting you to type keywords corresponding to the element you wish to insert. At this point, type in the word navigation. This search input is designed to help you locate the navigation block, which is essential for creating menus or links on your website. When you see the navigation element in the list of available options, click on it to add it directly to your site. The addition of this navigation block is key in organizing your site's pages and improving its overall usability. Now that the navigation block is part of your layout, it is time to reposition the element to where you want it to appear on your site. Use your mouse to click and drag the navigation component. Move it down until you locate the footer area of your site. The footer is an ideal location for a secondary menu or important page links. Drag and drop the navigation component into the footer, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your design aesthetic. After you have positioned the navigation block, the next step is to expand the footer further by adding an individual page link. Once again, locate the plus icon within the editor interface and click it to reveal new elements that you can add. Choose the option to add a page, and this action will seamlessly integrate the new page into your footer space. By following these steps from logging in through to positioning new elements in your footer, you now have a customized footer ready for visitors. The process is both user-friendly and efficient, providing you with the flexibility to enhance your site's navigation without much effort. Enjoy the improved layout and the extra functionality now available on your WordPress site.